Are you interested in learning how to build a passive income business around bank account churning? I began using these strategies just a few months ago, and I've got to say, I'm really happy with the results. So today, I'm going to be teaching you what bank account churning is, a step-by-step process for how to get started, and a full walkthrough in signing up for your first bank account in your bank account churning journey. So make sure to stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lifestyle Design Show, the #1 place to learn how to survive and thrive on that budget. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be sharing one of my personal favorite ways to earn extra income, and that's bank account churning. The reason I love bank account churning is because it's so easy for anyone to start, whether you're a student like me or you're just a beginner in general. Bank account churning offers an excellent opportunity to earn some extra cash with very minimal effort. You might be asking, well, what is bank account churning? Bank account churning is very similar to credit card churning, which I've talked about in a previous video. I'll go ahead and link that video right there. Bank account churning is all about opening up new bank accounts, whether they be checking or savings accounts, and taking advantage of the cash bonuses that these bank accounts offer just for signing up and meeting the requirements. The reason that banks actually do this is because they want to earn your business. They want to incentivize you opening an account with them. The great thing about this is since so many banks are offering these sign-up bonuses, there's a lot of options to choose from. It's always the revolving doors of different offers, and you can always find something that'll work for you. So what is the step-by-step process of actually profiting from bank account churning? Step 1 is to open the account. Now, finding the right account and right offer to open can sometimes be a little difficult. That's why I like to go on this website called Doctor of Credit. I'll link it down in the description. And what's really nice about this website is every month they list out the best offers and all the requirements needed to make that bank account bonus. And that's how I found the bank account that I'm gonna be opening today, the Chase checking account, which is gonna give me $300 just for signing up and moving some money in there. That's a perfect segue into step 2. Deposit the minimum balance into that account. Most of these accounts are going to have a minimum balance that they're going to require you to fund your bank account in order to qualify for your bonus. Step 3 is to wait 60 to 90 days. After you've opened your account, deposited the minimum, sometimes there'll be additional requirements like having a couple of direct deposits go through. But after all that's taken care of, now all we could do is kick back and wait. Most bank accounts are going to take 60 to 90 days seasoning period that requires you to keep your money in that account for that period of time before you get the extra bonus, which makes sense. And step 4, everyone's favorite step, free money. At this point, you should see the bonus in your account, and there you go. You just made passive income for simply opening a bank account. Now all you have to do, just go ahead and take that same money plus the bonus, and you can apply it to the next bank account bonus offer that you see, and just repeat the cycle in order to create a whole business model simply out of bank account churning. So now that you know what bank account churning is and the step-by-step process of how to do it, I'm going to be showing you how to actually sign up for your first bank account bonus offer. Today, I'm going to be signing up for the Chase Total Checking Account. The reason I personally chose this account is because there's an extra $300 bonus just for opening the account and funding it with just $25. Oh, I can't believe I almost forgot this really important thing to mention about bank account churning. It's crucially important that you go ahead and gently tap that like button. I'm gonna head back to my office so we can go ahead and sign up for that bank account offer. Let's go. Hey everyone, we're here in my office so we can go ahead and sign up for this new bank account churning opportunity. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I also want to just say that I am not sponsored by Chase in any way. I am just a 20-year-old on my own personal journey of financial independence, and I want to share with you everything that I'm learning and everything that I'm doing along the way. So one thing I want to note with this offer, you can actually get up to $600 if you also open up a savings account. So you can get $300 with the checking account, $200 when you open a savings account, and then when you do both, you get extra $100 to equal $600, which is a really great deal. $600 for just 20 to 40 minutes of work is awesome. But the requirements for the Chase savings account is you need $15,000 in there, and that's money that I don't have. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the checking account today because I feel a little bit more reasonable for me as a student and most people who don't have $15,000 to put into a savings account. So let's go ahead and look at this offer. We applied your coupon. The coupon is the bonus, so love that. Social security number, driver's license. Okay. I'm just putting in all my information. Pretty basic sign up procedure. Pro tip, always double check your information. On my Redneck Bank video where I signed up for the weirdest bank I've ever seen, link up there if you want to watch that. I actually put the wrong social security number in, so definitely always double check your information when you're putting that in. Just some identity verification questions. Oh, choose card design. I didn't realize I got a debit card. That's cool. There's so many Disney ones, you know. Full send on the Frozen, Anna and Elsa, and I do see Olaf. I'm gonna go ahead and go full send on the Frozen style debit card. So cool, I'm excited about that. Here we go. This is awesome. I have my new Chase account's open. Something about this account is there's a $10 to $12 service fee every month if you don't have $1,500 minimum in your account, or have monthly direct deposits totaling $500, or if you keep an average of at least $5,000 in all of your Chase accounts. So anyways guys, that's how you sign up for a bank account bonus offer, and how you can start this into a passive income business that's just automated, so that every few months you're opening a new account just like this, you're moving your money into that account, and you're just letting it sit there while you go about your normal life, essentially making you passive income. Do any of you bank with Chase? Have you had good experience with them? Let me know in the comments. I've heard good things about Chase, and honestly, after I get my bonus, I'm thinking about actually keeping this checking account. One last question you might be wondering is what to do with a bank account after you got the bonus. Well, that's really up to your discretion. Once you get the bonus, if you really like the account, there's no monthly maintenance fees, and overall you've been happy with the service, go ahead and keep the account. For the most part from my research, it looks like people usually just rinse and repeat. They'll pull their money plus the bonus, then they'll use that to fund their next bank account churning venture. As you probably can see, there are a lot of benefits to bank account churning, but every rose has its thorn, and bank account churning is no exception. So let's quickly look into some of the downsides that come with bank account churning. I would say the number one biggest downside is in order to get started churning bank accounts, you have to have some money available. Most banks require you to hold a minimum balance in your account, or else you get charged a monthly maintenance fee. So for example, today with the Chase account, it only takes $25 to fund the account and qualify, but there's a $10 to $12 maintenance fee that you get charged unless you have a $1,500 balance in your account. And this is pretty standard. You might be wondering how I've been able to start bank account churning as a full-time student and working a part-time on-campus job. The strategy that I personally use that I found works pretty great is that I use money from my emergency fund. Emergency fund, if you don't know, is an account that you set aside with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, just in case anything happens. You lose your job, your car breaks down, there's a medical emergency, whatever it may be, having an emergency fund, it's really important. I use money from my emergency fund to sign up for and churn new accounts. This method has actually worked really well for me because I know that if there is an emergency and I need access to that money, it's just a normal bank account and I have access to it whenever I need it. Unlike, let's just say, the stock market where your money's a lot less liquid and a lot harder to pull out. And I like to just look at these accounts as just extensions of my emergency fund. I'm still saving for a rainy day, but I'm just putting that money to work for me while it just sits there. The last downside that comes along with bank account churning is that for something that is passive income, it's a little bit time consuming. It takes about 20 to 45 minutes to open an account like this, and that honestly is a little tedious. Along with the opening process, bank accounts can also come with phone calls, monthly account maintenance, which overall just make bank account churning a little bit more time consuming than other passive income businesses. But I gladly spend 20 to 45 minutes to open an account and make an extra $300. That's the easiest $300 that I really could ever make, because if I was working for that money at my part-time job for that, that'd be like over 30 hours of work, which is over a week of work for me. Really what I'm saying is you have to do your own due diligence. After hearing that list of downsides, maybe you realize bank account churning isn't for you, and that's okay. But for me, spending 20 to 40 minutes checking on the account once a month on my phone for bonuses that are worth hundreds of dollars, for me, it's well worth it. There are so many opportunities out there to do this. I promise you that if you're interested in bank account churning, you're not sure if there's a bonus offer out there that fits your needs, so many opportunities out there that you're bound to find one that works for you. Make sure you tune in next week's The Lifestyle Design Show, because I'm going to be sharing about a topic that we've all dealt with before: burnout, and what you could do to avoid burnout and stay balanced and healthy. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure to click the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure to check out my blog, lifestyledesigndaily.com. I post a lot of healthy life hacks and overall tips that'll help you budget and work to becoming financially independent. So make sure to click the link in the description to go ahead and check out my website. Oh yeah, also feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'm active on there pretty much every single day, so if you want to connect with me and get to know me a little better, go ahead and follow me there. And y'all, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.